we receive the delivery, the guy who takes the delivery has to unpack them to put like that. Like,
You joking, man.
No,
no, yeah.
You joking,
you
man.
need to put boxes there, that's it. When
No,
you need,
we-
you open, you take out the rubbish.
But nobody takes out the rubbish.
Why
That's
nobody
all
takes
That's
out?
why Rosita said Sundays all the time, make sure you tidy the backstore, because it's mess every day.
I think it's no problem.
No, it's not every day. For this week it was very clean actually. But
For the
at the end-
last week it was
When
clean.
it's busy-
when I was they making order here, it was very good.
But it's normal, you know? You coming here when you're busy, you don't look, it's tidy or something, you grab what you want and go.
You fucked up,
That's
yeah?
why Sunday tidy up very nicely everything and that's it. It's not hard. This is small and we have some small boxes. It's not hard. Yeah, we
Stop
can do
acting,
that.
yeah?
We can do that today.
You sure?
Yes, it's not hard. Look,
It's-
look, pick everything.
Pick,
look.
pick, pick.
Look, pick, pull, like this. You see? It's more cleaner.
Oh,
Well done, Paul.
Mavich.
Yeah.
You see? What's this? Why is this?
good
ruler?
boy, yeah.
You see? Pick.
Pick.
Yeah, and now he'll say, I made an order in the back store. I cleaned it.
Who was doing this? Why it's on the floor? Why? Tell me.
Yeah.
Why? This is from last time. You see? You see?
Oh yeah, now I and Paul are